Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi. I'm from beautiful little island, Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer and this is my subject today. And I shot this a couple years ago. She's a model, belong to Office Rhythm. That's one of the best model agency in Okinawa. Well, I have this image and also I made this line image, which is Adobe Photoshop filter called Fine Edges. I use that filter to make this image. Then I'm going to use Procreate this time. Okay, I'm going to make layer here. Then let's see, the layer mode to darken. Then I'm going to turn this one colored, little tone down on this photograph image. I'm going to duplicate this image, then keep this one, just leave it there. Then I'm going to work on this for smudge first. Use that this old beach this time. Okay. Now turn this one down, rename. Okay. Okay, now let's go to this shot is at LED light from top. And this one comes here, the main light on her face is a straight LED light. Shutter speed is about, I remember 30th second or 60th or so. So blurred. You can tell when you see that hair, especially, but it makes kind of blur, makes kind of softness of the hair. Okay, now I got the smudge image here. Now I guess I'm gonna work on, well, maybe a little bit. Now phase 2. It's gonna come back, don't worry, because I have the shot image. Okay, now I'm gonna use this one later, but now let's tone down this one a little bit. Then see this, not much effective, but let's make a mask on this. Now invert this mask, then I'm going to take white, then look for brush. Okay, anyways, artist crayon, sketching from artist crayon, that's what it said. Okay, I'm gonna put on this. Now its size is about this much. Well, try. First go for 80% or so. Let's go bigger. Let's see. Opacity go up to 100%. Then go back to my mask. Okay, now I'm using this to same brush, then color. What color goes well with this brownish picture? Let's try this one to this. Crayon blue on top. Let's see, change the layer mode. I've never used the difference. That's kind of interesting. That's cool. Subtract, which is subtract the bluer color from this base image, huh? So they turn into a more yellowish color. Divide and hue, saturation, color. That's an easy one. See, just add the color, right? But this difference, you can't you can't tell what's gonna happen on this. No experience. Yeah. Divide. Yeah, this is interesting color too. I like that. Divide. Okay. Remember this. Now, which means I'm gonna use the brush texture artist crayon on eraser too. Eraser, sketching, same artist crayon, that's what I'm gonna use. Okay, either way, brush and eraser has a texture, same texture of the brush, you see? So now I'm choosing crayon to take this one. Oops, that's too big. A little bit out from here. Okay, then add this color to more on this side and about here. Ooh, that's cool. Yes, I like that. I really like this. Okay, now I'm gonna use this one to go up, then turn it on, make mask, invert, so which shows everything down this image here, smudge one. Now what I'm going to show is same brush, texture, same artist crayon, hard to pronunciation is. Okay, then get white to small 100% to, oh, that's right, this is the one, her face, is that right? Yeah, you see a little one, so it's gonna show up to the image I shot, kind of blurry, but image was sharp, image is gonna come out. So her face is beautiful again, but I want, that's all. These are okay, clothes and everything, it's already smudged, but maybe hand, and then this shoes area maybe sharpens better. But now I still need some smudge image on this here. That was not this texture, was it? That was maybe old beach or something like that. So I'm gonna take smudge to real small, then maybe this much. Oops. Use a smudge. Oh, that's still keep that. Do it. So okay. Then I'm gonna smudge here. You can see the black line here, which is this. So don't worry about this. Never mind. But I like the texture in here. Then I don't need some cast on here, which is this mask, I think, yes. So I'm gonna, I can't copy this mask, huh? So yeah, I guess so. Now it's lock this, then okay, I'm gonna mask on this too. Make mask, and also invert, so you see the clear or white but some area maybe I want to show this with the same sketching artist crayon to make white and bigger one. Then maybe I had here you see some chair. Then I had a little line here too. Then maybe this much. I may add some this kind of pencil lines from this image. Yeah, it doesn't affect much. Yes, but I like the color though. Yes. Well, this is it for today, and I'm kind of satisfied. Thank you for watching this movie, guys. See you next time. Have a nice day. Thank you again. Bye bye now. Ciao.